Hi! We are the Magic Magnet Friends! Hello, friends! Welcome to the animal train!
Come with us. Let's learn about animals.
Wow! Oh no! Let's match the animals and fix it!
Oh no, the engine is broken.
Let's use our magnetic power! Woohoo! This is the engine! The engine pulls the train. Choo-choo! What is missing? A wheel. A train needs wheels to move. Look! A lion!
A lion says roar. It lives in the grasslands.
This is an elephant!
An elephant has a long trunk and big ears.
Wow! A giraffe!
A giraffe has a very long neck.
What animal has stripes? A zebra! Zebras have black and white stripes. It's a monkey!
Monkeys can climb and swing.
Hello, panda! Pandas love eating bamboo. Look at the tiger!
Tigers have stripes and strong paws.
Who is this? It's a bear. Bears are big and strong. Waddle, waddle! It's a penguin! Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. A polar bear!
Polar bears live in the cold Arctic.
Look at the camel! Camels can live in hot, dry deserts.
Hop, hop!
Hop, a kangaroo!
Kangaroos have powerful legs for jumping.
Woohoo! It's a crocodile!
Crocodiles have strong tails.
And many sharp teeth. Splash! A hippopotamus!
Hippos spend lots of time in water.
Look, a rhinoceros! A rhino has a horn on its nose. It's a flamingo!
Look!
Look, it can stand on one leg. A parrot! Parrots are birds with strong, curved beaks. Hoo-hoo! An owl!
Many owls are active at night.
A fluffy rabbit!
Rabbits have long ears and strong back legs.
Look! A fox!
A fox has pointed ears and a bushy tail.
Woohoo! This is a deer! Deer can run quickly on their long legs. Jump! It's a frog!
Frogs can live on land and in water.
Here comes a turtle! A turtle has a hard shell to protect its body. Huh? Which one is the wheel? The round one! Great job! We did it! The animal train is fixed!
Every animal has the right carriage.
Learned so many animals today. Thanks for helping us fix the animal train. Bye-bye, friends.
See you next time!